Yeah, I post in WeChat group some revision questions. Guys, check the question here. Quadratics and the function. Quadratics and the function. Because for quadratics, we learn like 3 types of form. ax squared bx plus c, ax minus p, x minus q, ax minus h squared plus k. That's for quadratics. For quadratics. New part A ask you x-intercept. Kevin.
Let me just see. The x-intercept of f?
Yes, f is right here. So if you need x-intercept, we need
-5 and
form.
1.
You need to factorize it first.
Isn't the x take away 5x plus 1?
Yes, that's the first step. Make it 0.
And then the intercept will be 5 and -1.
Yes. So 5, 0, -1, 0. Okay. So here 5.
Oh yeah, you need the point.
Yeah, this type of question very popular. How about part 2B? Hannah.
Is it x equals 2?
Very good. Do you have any working?
You can either find the midpoint of the x-intercept, or you do -b/2a.
Okay. Yes, you can do x equals -b/2a, or you can just try 5 plus -1 divided by 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, the answer is same. Both gave you x equals 2. Okay, that's like a axis of symmetry, year 12. They ask you, what's the value of h? The question jumped to the third one. Eden, what's h? Who is asking this point?
Oh, you just substituted it.
Oh yeah, for k, you need to substitute h into it. But what's h? This vertex just hk. Just hk. So this h just 2. H just 2. Calculate k. Okay. Some student probably got year 11 exam coming. If you got question, message me. This group is year 12. Okay. If h equals 2, we calculate k. Eden told us substitution. You just put 2 into the equation. Into this equation. -9. -9. Number 5, transformation revision. For the last part D, message me your answer. The graph of G obtained by reflection of F in y-axis and translation. Very good, Hannah. Yeah, we need working step by step. Working like here. So if reflection in y-axis, that means this point change to here. 2, -9, change to -2, -9. Good, Andy. And move to the left by 3. -5. Up by 6, -3. Okay, this is year 12. In the past 20 years, transformation here, not popular in Cambridge exam, but start from this year, Cambridge also test transformation. Okay, that's number 8. Number 3. Number 8, parabola. Number 3, hyperbola. Okay, y-intercept. Number 3. Okay. Yeah.
I'm confused.
Which one?
Oh, number 3.
Number 3, A, they ask you y-intercept. Y-intercept, you make x0.
X0.
If you make x0, 6 times 0, 2 times 0, yeah, -1/3. So the answer, 0, -1/3.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. How about the vertical and horizontal
Your
asymptotes?
vertical
That's the way I'm not sure.
asymptotes. Vertical asymptotes like this way, which means x equals a number. Horizontal will be y equals a number. So x equals a number. Method, make denominator 0. If you make denominator 0, x equals -3/2. Finish. You really need to write x equals r. X equals. A lot of students in the exam, they just write -3/2, which is wrong. X equals. The third one, horizontal will be y equals. The working here, you can just write 6/2. This is 6, which is 3. Okay, so the answer is y equals 3. Y equals again, you need to write for equation of asymptotes, you need to write x equals and y equals. Sometimes x equals -3/2 just means a single value. Oh, for the equation, x just equals -3/2. But for this one, x equals -3/2.
X doesn't equal to -3. Wait, what?
Oh, if x doesn't, this is called, Hannah, what's the name for here?
Limitation?
Domain.
Oh, okay.
Domain. Okay. For example, the question could be not here. Just asking you, what's the largest possible domain? Domain like the condition on x. Possible values of x. Oh, denominator cannot be 0. So the only value x cannot equal just -3/2. That's why here they wrote -3/2, not equal. This is domain. Not equal to this one. You can say x is all real number, but x cannot be -3/2. Just make a denominator cannot be 0 for domain. For domain. But at this stage, of course, you can sketch graph easily. The question didn't ask you. We just revise on sketching graph. X equals -1.5 here. Y equals 3 here. We know x-intercept, or we know y-intercept. It's a 0, -1/3. It's like here. So the graph look like. The graph look like here hyperbola hyperbola. Okay? Hyperbola. Part B. Part B is about the limits. About the limits. What's the value? You know, this value just means if x really big, what happens? If x really big, the value, for example, x equals 1 million. The top one just 6 million. The bottom one just 2 million. 3. The whole thing just equals 3. The whole thing just equals 3. If you copy the question, you can write if x infinity 6x minus 1, 2x plus 3. Okay? Kevin, any question?
No, now. Yeah.
You guys got test the coming week or which week?
Next week.
Or next week? Huh?
Do you know if we're allowed calculators?
For formal IB exam, paper 1, no calculator. Paper 2, you can use calculator. For
Is this
example,
paper 1 or paper 2?
This is paper 1.
Oh, so no calculators.
No calculator.
Oh dear.
But this one, paper 2, yes, you can use calculator. That's IB standard level, higher level. But AA, if AI standard level, higher level, you can always use calculator. Okay. Different. This page. 阶段 in our WeChat group, we got several. What's this? Oh, quadratics. This one. Number 3.